Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. Today we have brought you the exciting opportunity offered by LTI Mindtree Samruddha Scholarship with a reward of 20,000 rupees. A collaborative effort by Larsen and Turbo Infotech Limited. If you are an engineering and undergraduate student, then this scholarship could be ticket to your success. Let's dive into the details. LTI Samruddha Scholarship is not just a financial aid, it's about empowering the aspiring students from underprivileged background across the various states of India. L&T Infotech Limited aims to be a guiding force in shaping the career of talented individuals and being the major contributor in building the nation. If you want to know more scholarship opportunities at the right time, then level up your scholarship game with a Plus membership. Get a personalized dashboard, be the first to know about the matching scholarship and enjoy your prompt support. Grab the exclusive 40% off as an introductory price for a limited period of time. Upgrade now for only $599 to unlock your scholarship journey with us. Link in description box. Let's come back to the video. LTI scholarship is open for all genders and you need to be pursuing the undergraduate courses like engineering, BCA, BCS and BSc in computer science. Your family income should be less than 6 lakhs rupees. You must have secured minimum of 60% in all previous academics. The preference will be given to the students of Gujarat, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Punjab, Odisha, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Telangana. If you feel that this scholarship is not suitable for you, then you need not to worry. We have multiple active scholarships on our portal, the Global Scholarship, link in description box. To apply for LTI scholarship, you need the following documents like passport size photograph, ID proof, address proof, income proof, bank passbook, mark sheet of class 10th and 12th and previous academic years, current fees receipt or the fee structure from the institution, bona fide certificate or the admission letter from the institution, and optionally you can also provide PAN number or the domicile certificate. To apply for this scholarship, hit the link given in the description box and you will be redirected to a login page. If you like the content what we are doing, then please show some support by hitting the like button. If you are not a registered user, then please register yourself and update your profile. If you find difficulty in registration and updating your profile, then I have created another video. Please watch this video and register yourself and update the profile. Once you're done with that, then you'll be redirected to a login page. Once you log in, then you'll be redirected to a dashboard where you need to search for the scholarship, that is LTI Mindtree Scholarship. Select the LTI scholarship and click on the apply button. Then you'll be redirected to a form where you need to fill out the details like is your parent or a guardian is working for LTI Infotech Limited. Select the option yes or no. Then select the state you belong to, select the district you belong to. Are you differently abled student? Select option yes or no. Are you orphan? Select the option yes or no. Then upload the bona fide certificate. Then click on the checkbox which defines that all the above given information are true and click on the submit button. Don't let the financial constraints be the barrier to your dreams. If you meet the eligibility criteria, then seize the opportunity to shape your future. All the best for your scholarship journey. Let's help each and every student possible by sharing this video. Signing off. Take care until next time.